Good morning. My name is Mary Malonzo from the Philippines. I am your real estate virtual assistant since 2014. I am offering lead generation, skip tracing, social media management, transaction coordinator, and I have experience for CRM like Wise Agent, KB Core, Loopty, Silo Premium Agent, and other real estate or realtor CRM related tasks. I am also have experience for email marketing and Google Workplace such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, and other Google spreadsheets and Words documents. I am adaptive, reliable, and willing to rediscover new things. Thank you.